Hoping to reopen part of their economy to breathe some life into an area that has seen skyrocketing unemployment. KEZI 9 News reporter Andrew Hobner is live tonight in the studio to show us what needs to be done to accomplish that. Andrew?
Yeah, there is a delicate balancing act to trying to reopen the economy while keeping people safe. And County Commissioner Roger Nyquist believes that there are structures in place in Linn County to move in that direction, even as they've been battling some hot spots in the area over the last month.
But mostly, they're scrambling. I mean, trying to do what they can to get ahead of this and do things in a proactive way.
It's been a difficult time as Linn County Commissioner Roger Nyquist can remember in his time leading local government. But the next challenge may be tougher, establishing testing and tracing measures that will lead to reopening the economy.
The tracing in itself, when you get a positive case, and where were they and who have they had contact with and how many people do we need to contact, that's a formidable challenge.
Linn County Public Health has added 20 people to conduct contact tracing in the county with the hopes of reopening their economy. But Oregon Health Authority spokesman Jonathan Modi says people staying home is more about risk mitigation than anything else.
That is all a way of encouraging people to not get into situations where they might have close contact with other people outside their household.
But Nyquist believes the decision should be made by individual counties instead of the regions that Governor Brown's office has divided Oregon into. The argument being that smaller counties with less cases and more hospital capacities should be able to reopen if they meet the OHA criteria.
I think it's proving to be a tougher task than the governor's office thought it would be, because you've got 36 counties. This is a really diverse place, the state of Oregon, and there are, multiple local economies, and how you do all that in a way that gives people a chance to actually get up and going.
Now, it is important to note that counties need to submit plans to Governor Brown's office to enter that reopening plan if they follow these criteria: a 14-day declining prevalence of COVID-19, a minimum testing regimen, a contact tracing program, isolation facilities, statewide sector guidelines followed, sufficient hospital capacity, and sufficient personal protective equipment. Nyquist believes Linn has all these things, but the balancing act, as we mentioned, of economic recovery and public safety ultimately comes down to the consumer confidence in thinking that it is safe to go back outside. In the studio, Andrew Hobner, KEZI 9 News.
Thank you very much, Andrew.